Indian music. Indian dance. And Indian culture. This is what the Association of Performing Arts of India is all about. Founded in 1998 to preserve and promote ancient Indian classical music and dance, the association sponsors regular concerts and performances featuring imported and local classical Indian artists.
Playing string starts on the second like this.
Volunteers for the association often conduct school presentations free of charge.
Then it goes up to here. And then this is for drone. So we can change it according to the raga, if in a raga or a mode.
APAI's educational programs are presented in a lecture demonstration format at libraries, community colleges, and public schools throughout South Florida. APAI also fosters original productions, nurturing local talent and educating traditional and non-traditional audiences. Other activities of the association include workshops for musicians, both Indian and non-Indian, to learn classical Indian musical repertoire and techniques. In the past, concerts showcase both North Indian or Hindustani and South Indian or Carnatic styles of music, including vocal performances, sitar, and flute music. The association consistently strives and succeeds in presenting internationally acclaimed artists of the highest caliber. Indian music, despite much evolution and development, maintains many of its original characteristics and has been preserved in an unbroken tradition for many millennia. It is based on a profoundly spiritual philosophy, and to this day, it is a spiritual art form. It is also the oldest written music in the world. The first evidence of written music comes from the Vedas, Indian sacred documents written more than 4,000 years ago. In spite of such a rich heritage, Indian music, particularly Indian classical music, while flourishing in India, is still little known in the rest of the world. The primary purpose of the Association of Performing Arts of India is to present this art in its various modes in the United States. The secondary purpose is to educate the South Florida community, young and old, about Indian music and dance through lecture demonstrations, classes, and concerts. All of this provides opportunities for South Florida residents of Indian heritage to come together to promote and express their cultural heritage. Approximately 100,000 people of Indian or Indian Caribbean origin reside in South Florida. Many of them have a strong interest in their cultural heritage. Also, many Westerners have a growing interest in multiculturalism and world music. The association's work is a pioneering effort that enriches the cultural scope of all residents of South Florida. The Association of Performing Arts of India is a non-profit organization, and all of its committee members and board of directors are working as volunteers.